is one of the best oils for treating dry, brittle, damaged hair. And if you have this problem right now and you're not using argan oil, what you doing? Argan oil not only moisturize, nourish, and protect hair from damage, it can also be used in so many ways. And for this specific video, we will be applying argan oil on our hair as an overnight treatment just to see what else besides hydration can argan oil provide to your hair in only 8 hours.
Hi, my name is Doro and I make natural beauty videos here on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to be part of the Pura Vida family. This is the most important thing you need to know about Moroccan argan oil. Good quality pure argan oil costs money. Fake argan oil won't do anything to your hair or to your skin, so if you want to ensure quality of your oil, look for a dark color bottle of argan oil that is listed as cold pressed, unrefined, 100% pure organic. Argan oil should be the only ingredient listed in there. The second thing that you need to look for is that the color of pure argan oil has a golden yellowish shade, not pale or transparent one. Along with this, its essence has a slightly nutty smell, and in terms of consistency, argan oil has a smooth texture, making this oil super light and gentle to be used on hair or skin. So when it comes to application, argan oil is quite simple. You can use this oil on your hair by itself, which is the way that I'll be using it, or if you want to make your argan oil last a little bit longer, mixing it with another moisturizing oil such as coconut oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil are great options for you to keep in mind. Now that your hair is detangled, make sure to split it in two main sections like this, so the application becomes easier since you want to avoid applying this oil on the same spot. By the way, if you apply argan oil as an overnight treatment, make sure to do it on dry hair. Next, you're going to shake the bottle a little bit before application because pure argan oil has tiny sediments at the bottom of the container, and by doing this, you ensure that these are mixed well before you use it on your hair. Alright, now you're gonna start applying the argan oil on your scalp first, and if you have a dropper, use half of a squeeze to distribute some of the oil on different areas of your scalp in this exact way. And if you don't have a dropper, no worries, you can use the tip of your fingers to tap some of the oil on your scalp. Now that you're done with this, next step will be covering the rest of your hair, including your ends, in argan oil. You're gonna start working on one section first, always using a little bit of this oil on each application. So on the palm of your hand, you're going to put 5 drops of argan oil. Now, using both of your hands, you're going to warm up the oil a little bit for 5 seconds. Right when your hands feel pretty warm, you're going to press and slide with both of your hands the oil on your strands. And the way you do that is by sliding the oil from the roots towards the ends of your hair, exactly like this. Repeat this hair massage one more time in the same spot and then move on to the rest of your hair following the same steps that you just learned.
I feel like I can do this for hours, and it's just so relaxing, and my hair feels so smooth.
All I need you to keep in mind is to only use a small amount of argan oil on each new application. Trust me, this oil is so light on the hair that it makes it so easy for you to end up using too much of this. So one way to avoid this is by not reapplying argan oil on the spot that you already did. Simple, right? As you can notice, hair is ready to be wrapped, and before we do this, make sure to massage the oil into your scalp for about 3 minutes. This not only promotes hair growth, but also ensures that your scalp absorbs the vitamin E, antioxidants, and minerals contained in argan oil, which are responsible of leaving your hair shinier, smoother, and frizz-free. Now I'm just gonna let it sit overnight. I will show you tomorrow how to wash this off, so make sure to stay. One of the most remarkable things about oiling with argan oil is that you don't need any fancy hair wash routine to rinse it off. Even if you end up applying more than what you should, it's still easy to remove it from your hair. However, if you combine it with coconut oil or olive oil, please make sure to check this video right here to learn how to rinse off heavy oils out of your hair. Anyways, as long as you only use pure argan oil, all you need to do is to wash your hair very well with your regular shampoo, then follow up with a moisturizer, conditioner, or hair mask. Oh, and before you get out of the shower, remember to use some cold water on your hair and scalp to seal hydration. This is how my hair looks damp, and this is how my hair looks completely dry. I am not kidding when I said that I'm so impressed with these results, because in only 8 hours, argan oil made my hair a little bit more fuller than before. Hair looks super silky, as you can see, and the most impressive thing is that my hair feels extremely soft. Wow! Even though these results are amazing and I fully recommend you to try this, only use argan oil as an overnight treatment mask once a week to prevent dryness in your hair.
If you made it until the end, let me tell you something. You are one of my favorite people in this entire world. I hope you have a fantastic week. See you next time. Pura vida.